Guys, in Brookhaven, for those who don't know, you can collab other players. But today, I will collab with my friend Jay. So I said in the chat what we're gonna do. Cause I'm confused what we're gonna do. He did not say anything, to be honest. He said, I didn't know anything. So I said on the chat, let's grab house. He said, here. But he already grabbed a house. So I said on the chat, well, I'll grab cause I have nothing. But he's on a premium house cause he is premium. And I said, I'll go to house 17. And he said, there. I don't know what he's saying, but I'm gonna teleport anyway. I'm just gonna teleport here. Okay, now I'm here. I will choose a specific house, which is this one. Okay, I'm waiting for it to be built. For those who don't know, there's also a secret here where if you press this, you can just change the message. But let's open the fridge and I'm gonna roommate him. There. Wait, where is he? He just disappeared out of nowhere. But now I will check out this house. There's also a secret room here. Well, I cannot tell if it's a secret or not, but this is a room where you can relax. But there's a problem. A person just grabbed my safe, which is really bad. But now I'm gonna lock the house bro, he's invisible. I know what he's doing. Come on. He's just going anywhere, but he's invisible, so I cannot see it. He's using an ID so he can become invisible. But now I will open the door and I will go to Rotten Robbie. So I'm gonna grab the bicycle and he will come with me and he's just sitting with me. Come on. Hi, I'm a fan. I don't know what he's saying, bro. But anyways, I'm gonna go to the shop. I will do some shopping. Oh, he's just looking at me. Come on, bro. I'm gonna get some shopping, which normal people don't usually do. But now I'm gonna grab shoppings here because it's a bit realistic. But suddenly two of them just arrive on me. They're sitting on me, which is a bit weird. But now I'm gonna close the doors. This one is open. Okay, I'm gonna grab as much food as possible. I'm also gonna grab some milk. Why is what's you getting? Oh. So I said, I'm shopping, can't you see? But now I will oh, he's stuck again. But now, oh, this is really bad. Bro, stand up. But now I'm gonna grab some food here. Bro, can you get out? Okay, now he just teleport in his house. But now I'm gonna pay for it. There, finally. I'm also gonna teleport on my house so I will put the shoppings here. Perfect, I put everything. So I'm gonna go upstairs and sleep cause it's 11 p.m. on Brookhaven right now. So I will take the chance and sleep. Okay, now I'm gonna wake up and just open this safe so no one can steal it. They're just gonna take my money, but the message will not appear on my screen. So it's without problems. But now, I don't know where is he, but I think he teleported on his house. Let's teleport. There. Okay, now I teleport already. So I said on the chat, where are you? Oh, he's just in my house. He said on the chat. But now, oh, this is him. But I'm gonna go to search on my house. So, but I'm gonna say on that. So I said, guys, let's go to your house. And he said, I'll make a bed here so don't let anyone disturb. This is really weird, but anyway, I'm just gonna go to his house. Okay, now I'm going there. Come on, bro. Is this house premium? He did not give me a roommate, so I cannot lock his door. Can you stand in water inside so long? Okay, I'm just gonna AFK here for a bit, and then I'm gonna type this in chat. But wait, what's happening? Oh, it's just a bug, sorry. But now I'm AFKing here for so long. I don't know when he will go and AFK me. But now, but I said on the chat, what are you doing? Cause what he's doing doesn't make much sense. But now I'm gonna teleport back to my house because that was a bit weird. But now I'm gonna take the chance and sleep. I'm gonna wake up on 6 a.m. Are you trying to grab my safe? And guys, it's finally morning, which is really good. But now I'm gonna go to explore the city of Brookhaven. But where is he? I don't know where is Jay, but oh, he's just calling me. So I said on the chat, what? Because he just called me out of nowhere. But now I'm gonna go to the arcade and play some video game. For those who don't know, wait, what's happening to my character? For those who don't know, there's a bug here which if you press the avatar editor, oh, I think it's fixed. But now I'm gonna go to buy an ice cream. Gonna get the chocolate one. Okay, now I already ate it, and I will just take a car, just like that. Look, there's a car here. That's not a premium car, to be honest. I will just ride mine. But this is so bugged. I don't know why is it happening to my character, or I'm just laggy. Now I'm gonna go to the pool. There's also a secret passage here which will take you to the bank safe. Yes, the safe of the bank. Well, not all the safes, cause there's also gold, diamond, and Bitcoin safe. Only this one, which we can just blow up. I'm gonna search for it. Which we can just blow up, and now it got robbed. We can just grab some money here. But now I'm gonna teleport to my house to avoid being caught. I'm also gonna explore the city. Where's my car? Oh, I forgot it's there. I'm gonna go get it. Okay, now we finally arrived there. But I will... Oh, is this locked? Why is it like this? Okay, guys. Oh. So now I'm going back to my house, I think. Well, I think this is not the neighborhood. I'm a bit lost right now. I don't know where I'll go, but let's go to the Lake Madison. We can really swim here. There's also a yacht here, but we cannot spawn a single boat in here. Look, the copy of the yacht is just here. Here. But now I will find a boat that's free. But I don't see a oh, here. See, we cannot spawn it at this location. But I will grab my I don't know what this called, but I mean scooter. So I'm gonna go to the edge of the map. But now I'm here in the sea, where you can spawn the boats. I'm just gonna find it. Okay, now we got it. Let's go to that island. I don't know where Jay's did go, but I'm gonna go there anyway. Let's just increase the speed because it's so low. Okay, now I'm going here. And I think he just left the game. Let me search for his account. Oh, never mind. He really left. But now, and guys, if you want to add me on Roblox, just search for this name here, send a friend request, then I will add you.